Hi guys, here 1 plus 2 is 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Here 3 to the power of 3 is 27 minus 3 times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Here 27 minus 3 is 24 times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Here 24 times 2 is 48 plus 6 divided by 3. Here 48 plus 6 is 54 divided by 3. 18 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 18 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 1 plus 2 is 3 power this 3 minus 3 times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 3 power 3. We have to do this. So 27 minus 3 times 2 plus 6 divided by 3. Here the next priority multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. We have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this 3 times 2. We have to do this 3 times 2 before this operation. So 27 minus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6 divided by 3. Here we have subtraction, addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this addition and subtraction. So 27 minus 6 plus here 6 divided by 3 is 2. Here we have subtraction and addition. Both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 27 minus 6. Here 27 minus 6 is 21 plus this 2. Here 21 plus 2 is 23 is the correct answer.